You make the quiz, randomize questions and answers, and end up with 10 unique copies for 10 students. And because each copy is unique, doing the correction for each unique copy will be challenging if you don't have access to the correct answers of each one independently. To solve this problem, we provide the corrections for each copy after every document generation. And as you noticed here, the Queezed correction system takes each student's copy individually, generates its correction page, including the right answers, which will be available for users when you decide to go through the corrections process. You can access corrections by scanning a QR code from a defined copy, which will show a direct link to the correction page of that specific student. And these are some examples after scanning the QR code of a list of pages for other students. The other way is you can also access corrections by clicking on the button Correction from the print history, which gives you access to all copies corrections combined, starting from the first one. Let's see that in action. We'll generate two documents. The first one is from the quiz that includes synonyms and antonyms. We'll generate a document for 10 students where questions and responses are randomized. Let's complete the document processing and download the document. Then let's remove antonyms. For that, check Delete from the antonyms part to remove all its elements. And generate another document for 13 students, where questions and responses are randomized. We'll follow the same steps to generate the document and download it. So we end up generating two documents, one concerning synonyms and antonyms for 10 students, and the second one describing just synonyms for 13 students. Both of the generated documents are listed one by one on the print's history. Let's return to the documents. To access the correction of each student copy separately, using your phone, scan the QR code of a defined student copy, and it will show the URL of the correction. I will copy the URL from here, paste it, and it sends me to the student 1 copy correction. Let's scan another QR code from document 1 and for student 5. Copy the URL, paste it, and it shows the student 5 correction page. Let's now do the same process from the second document. Scan the QR code of student 3 copy, and it shows here the correction. To give it a summary, even if you print your document, you will have only to use your phone to scan the student copy QR code, and it will show you the correction page link. The other way of accessing all corrections from one place is from the print history, click on the button Correction related to each document generation, and it will send you to the page including all students' copies corrections. Same for the second generated document related to synonyms, only made for 13 students. We have here the 13 students' corrections pages.